Hey, what is up, you guys? First of all, Happy New Year! Yo, it's 2018, yo. Happy New Year to you all. And thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. And today's video is about this awesome package I just received. And I'm also very curious on what is in this package. But anyway, I think I already have a clue on what this is. But do you want to know what is in this package? Then stay tuned. So, like I said earlier on in this video, today's video is about this awesome package I received from Amazon. So let's unbox this package and let's see what's in the box. In the package comes definitely a note with an Amazon note saying enjoy your gift. And then we have the invoice. Yes. And finally, the charging bracelet. Yes, I finally purchased this thing. It is all over Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This thing is just trending everywhere. I just had to purchase this. So this is the charging bracelet, and this has not really a name or a brand or anything. I just purchased it from Amazon, and like I said, this is a charging bracelet I purchased from Amazon, and now I am unpacking it, trying to show you all what is in the package, how it comes. It comes in this beautiful transparent box, and as you can see, it's a little bit broken. I think I really can't say much about that because I really don't know why it was broken. Maybe they were throwing it whilst delivering or something, but anyway, so this is how it looks like out of the box. It looks like a bracelet. Like, you will never notice that this thing is a charger. How awesome is that? So this is how it looks like when you open it. I purchased the one with the Android ones because I use an Android phone. So this is the Android version of this, but they also have this in the iPhone version, so you can purchase this also in the iPhone, for iPhones I mean. And they also have it in various colors, so you can definitely purchase it in, I think I saw the blue, I saw a pink one, and I saw a red one. So they don't really have so many colors, but there are definitely some colors you can choose out of this. And this is how it looks. I am trying to get it on my hands, as you can see, but it did not work, so I did something different. So I am trying to see if I can get this thing to just stay on my hand and just see how it looks on my arm. So this is how it looks like on my arms, and I am showing it off you all. This looks amazing. This looks just awesome. This is just beautiful, and it doesn't really look like a charger until you open it, because I think it's really nice. It's really cool. I haven't used it yet, but I'll definitely make a review when I'm using it. I'll give you guys the pros and cons, my honest review on this, and for sure be sure to check out the link, the description box below, to see where I purchased this. I'll leave everything in the link below so that you guys can also purchase this, and it was quite cheap. I think I purchased this for just €6, and I used Amazon Prime, so it was just like the next day. It arrived like the next day, and I was just so happy, and I couldn't wait to make a video for you all. So this is how it looks like, and I am kind of doing a 360 for you, turning it around and around and around. And yes, this is the charging. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.